So today is day 2 of my vacation, and for people that might not know, vacation is like you know, trying to work but also getting that vacation vibes. So I decided to come to Abuja for a week and really just enjoy myself, try something new, and also still work while doing that. Hi guys, so I just want to give you guys a quick tour of my room at Abuja Continental Hotel. So let's see what the room has for us. So this is the door, I hope you can see, and it has this thing just for security purposes, right? And to my left there's the bathroom. So let's see what they have. So I got here like 2 days ago. So this is the bathroom, right? And yeah, let me just, so this is how it looks. Yeah, this is really what, these are just my stuff. Then we have, you know, some lights here, sorry. Then we have this mirror. Then I have some of my stuff here also. Then there's this magnifying mirror that just makes your face look bigger. Then we have this, and I actually got some rope, but like the cleaner just came to take them. And that's pretty what we have in the bathroom and the restroom, right? So, and I will just close this. Then to my right we have the cupboard. I think you can see it well, but let's see. So this is the cupboard. Yeah, it's showing perfectly, and there's just this big mirror that is so lovely. I hope you guys can see it. And so let me take a picture. I'll probably show. So this is the mirror, really big. Then I have my stuff again. Then this is the bed, right? It's quite big, and we have a lot of, like, you know, sockets here for you to charge. So that's like the switch for the light. Yeah, that's pretty what we have. Then we have this big TV here. Then we have the fridge. Oh gosh. So I hope you guys can see it. We have that here, and these are just, you know, places you can keep your stuff. I mean, as a 9 to 5 babe, I like that they have this table and chair. So this is where I've been working, and when I'm tired of working, I also go here just to have a nice time. Yeah, and there's also this cute mirror here. Yeah, I think that's pretty what we have in the room. So let me give you guys a 360 view. So this is how the entire room looks like. And it's been really amazing so far, right? So let's go see like the view. So this is what we have, right? It's quite sunny today, but yeah, that's pretty it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this room tour. Let me know if you've been, you know, exploring this hotel. I mean, I've been having a good time here. I think the only but is probably the food. So I've tried to order food twice, and honestly the first one wasn't that bad. Right, but the second one I didn't really enjoy it. So my plan today is actually go outside the hotel to get my food by myself. So yeah, this have been home, and this is my apartment. No, not apartment, this is my hotel room tour. Please let me know if you like this, if you've ever been to this place, what your experience was. I'll be happy to read your reviews, and hopefully to also help someone that might be deciding whether they want to come here or not. Thanks guys, bye.